Hello and welcome to another vlog post. Today is quite an exciting day. We're going to be doing quite a bit of filming today for Thalia's first ever video. So that is going to be going live on the 22nd of October. Make sure you keep an eye out for that. I've already heard the script. It's a very interesting one. So that is getting filmed today. Other big news. We're also looking at things to put forward a proposal to Cardiff Science Festival. We'll have more information on that as we get closer to the time and developments a bit further into that. Yeah, there's not really much else to say. Today's just going to be a big filming day. This week's video is going to be quite a fun, fiery one. We're also filming that today as well. So yeah, watch out for that on Friday. Aside from that, thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your week. See you Friday. Bye.